Hello everyone. So in this video we will cover conditional rendering. So what is conditional rendering? Basically, conditional rendering allow us to render particular element on certain condition. Let's look at a scenario. In this, suppose we have two components or two pages. First one is login and second one is welcome page. So we are maintaining a state. State name is login and set is login is a function. So by default this state is false. So what we have to do is when each state is false means user is not logged in, then we have to render this page, login page. And if is login is true means user is logged in, then we have to render welcome page. So let's code it. So we are in my VS Code. Now we will make a folder which contain components. So let's name it components. Right click, add a new component. First one is welcome page, and another one is login page, login page.js. Now just type react functional component. Let's make it h1. If you don't know what am I doing, so you have to check out my previous videos. react again, h1. Now let's go to app.js. Now what you have to do is maintain a state. So first of all we have to import useState hook, useState. Let's initialize useState. So const is login or set is login equals to useState. By default we will make it false. Now remove this line and we have to give condition. So let's make in curly bracket. Now if user is not login, then return login page. Means if user is not login, then we will render login page, else return welcome page. Let's check output. See, by default we are false. You can see here by default state is false. That's why this is rendering login page. Now let's make it true. Now I'm saving. See, welcome page. That's how conditional rendering works. Also you can provide shorthand syntax like return is login. If is login is true, then provide welcome page, else render login page. Save it. See, this is shorter code than previous one. Now let's make it false. See, how cool is this? Means you can use this conditional rendering in authentication system. We will use in many situations. Conditional rendering is very important topic in React.js. So I hope you understand how conditional rendering is works. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.